Good afternoon, board members of USD 259. My name is Ms. Perla Olivas. I'm currently an academic specialist for one of the high schools here. And I was wanting to offer a new option for students to be able to succeed in high school by having a high school curriculum instructed as an online college class. Why are we needing this new online learning class? As you all know, attendance has been an issue across the state. So this is one option that maybe could help us in that situation. This is an option for early introduction to college classes, and it's another form for students to learn and complete classes. I'm showing you a graph from the Kansas State Department of Education. As you could see, it's a graph from 2017 to 2023 about our chronic absences. And as you could see, even after COVID, our chronic absences have increased. And this online class, it's an option for us to be able to help with that situation. How do online classes look at the college level currently? Online colleges and universities have nearly enrolled 2.7 million students, almost 15% of all U.S. post-secondary learners. In 2021, about 60% of all post-secondary degree seekers in the U.S. took at least some online classes. Around 30% studied exclusively online. Nearly 8.5 million U.S. students take online classes at public higher education institutions. So this is one look of how online classes are increasing and are being used in the post-secondary degree institutions. Why would students like this option of having the online class? Flexibility, of course. Online learning allows students to study when it's most convenient for them. So because it will be available to them 24/7, they are able to work on it during the day, late at night, or on weekends. By experience, I have heard students tell me, Miss, I couldn't sleep last night at 3 o'clock in the morning, and so I decided to work on my Edgenuity course that's online to be able to get further ahead. Pacing. It can motivate students to graduate early, so if they work ahead quickly, they're able to graduate early and even start looking for a job or pursue a college degree sooner. Individualized learning. Not all students learn at the same speed, and so this is another way for them to work at their own speed or, like I said, finish sooner. It's a flexible schedule for special circumstances. A lot of our students like to be in every extracurricular activity, which is awesome, but they sometimes don't have time to be doing homework late after a game or after a drama presentation. So this is also available when this online class will be available for them to work on it when they have time. And one of the things, unfortunately, negative influences in the school can affect our students, and this would also help them if they prefer not to be in a classroom from 8 to 3. So this is another way they are able to deal with peer pressure. Prepare this also online class will will prepare them for higher ed online classes, and hopefully they are more successful once they start taking them in the post-secondary institutions. What is needed? What can we provide for these students with these new online classes? A high school curriculum that can be formatted to be like the online college classes, like in Blackboard. Teachers who are educated and dedicated to teaching these new classes. Provide to students attending these classes. Why Chromebooks? They are cheaper, lightweight, and the system is easier and more familiar for our students to use. Free internet devices or hotspots for students enrolled to use at home as well. And like I said before, it's an option for many students. It's not an option for all, but I think this new online option will prepare them not only for now, but for their future when they are wanting to go into a post-secondary education. And a lot of as we could see from statistics, a lot of our classes in post-secondary education are becoming online. And so unfortunately, a lot of our students after COVID prefer to be at home and not be in a school. Just peer pressure or having to talk to another person. I have seen that, and I think we are needing this option for students to be able to try to see if they'll succeed with these classes so they could graduate.